You will turn heads in this 2004 Chevrolet Monte Carlo two-door coupe from Brown Daub Suzuki. Let the acceleration push you into the ebony seats as you put the pedal down to the 3.8-liter six-cylinder 12-valve engine. Mill through its 4-speed automatic transmission to its front-wheel drive. Then put the windows down and turn up the tunes with the audio system security, cassette player with auto reverse, AM/FM stereo and more. In addition to getting you there fast, this coupe will also get you there safely with 4-wheel ABS brakes, front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag and more. We would love to talk to you more about this Monte Carlo. Please contact us for more information.